All right. So it is currently 7:05 a.m. and I wanted to start the day before I go donate, doing this and yesterday I got caught in the rain, so my microphone was wet on this headset and it like fucked the thing up. But anyways, so listen, yesterday what I pretty much framed was that like I thought this was a reversal, and we're gonna go like deeper, but let me first just start from the top. We'll go to the higher time frame. All right. So the very first thing here, let's go ahead and go to the day. All right. So, um, pretty much as for now, I'm still currently expecting lower prices, with like the idea being that even if today's candle is bullish, kind of like these ones, that would still be holding up price. Um, yeah, other than that, there's really no reason to expect that. We still have this low over here, so we still have that level of sell side liquidity as well. We also have this gap right here, so price will more likely than not gravitate towards that. So that being said, still expecting lower prices. Okay, now when we continue here, we do have these objectives over here. You know what I mean? These fair value gaps or sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. Price doesn't need to trade these yet. These can be, like price will refer back to these later. And I really just want to see right now. Yeah, I just want to read the tape because I really just don't know kind of what we're seeing. Like I'm expecting lower prices, but I just want to see price play out for now. I just want to read the tape for now. All right. So looking here, you can see that we've continuously seen lower days. Here's a level of sell-side liquidity that we tapped into yesterday, where I essentially said what you can't really hear in the recording, that we were going to expect prices higher, and then this is around like 3 o'clock and around there. So um, I was saying what ideas I could have framed off that, these relative equal highs being taken and so on. And yeah, that's pretty much all for that. We're going to go ahead now and we are going to drop down to the 15 minute. So the 15 minute, we've been, or at least I've been, so. All right, I've been marking the high and low of each day. All right. So what I noticed here, okay, is that we had this expansion move lower. Okay, this very just quick movement on Tuesday. All right, Wednesday, what I see happened here, this is a relative equal high, this relative equal high, relative equal high, relative equal high. The price, after taking that sell side, drove to that level of liquidity. And then there's also this inefficiency here, which price traded to as well, but just like the wick, which is actually pretty interesting. The bodies really haven't, really traded back into that inefficiency. And then, yeah, we'll go to a lower time frame before I frame that, but essentially, I'm looking at this as a reversal. All the relative equal highs, all that liquidity taken, this being really the only objective that I see in this in the current market conditions that I see price really drawing towards. And it did. So I'm gonna go down into the 5 minute now, and you'll see what I'm talking about. All right. So relative equal highs ran, boom, and then after I saw that, I'm thinking, okay, I'm now expecting price to continue lower. And interestingly enough, we look here, we've kind of seen that, from that specific point after that liquidity was taken. Now we're just seeing lower prices. This is very consolidation-esque, but nonetheless, just framing the idea. So overall, I'm expecting price to drive lower today, and ideally, I'm expecting us to go below yesterday's low, rather than trade above the high, since I am still expecting lower prices. Now, the reason I am reading the tape is I don't know how price will react here. So we do have displacement above this short-term high. So I don't know if price will, rebalance its range, continue more aggressively to what I framed on the higher time frames, those other sell side objectives, or what we'll see after that level of sell side that was taken. As for now, I am framing the idea as a reversal though, and I'm expecting price to trade to this low and at the lowest, you know, here. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it at that. And oh, last thing, actually, sorry, I'm not gonna leave it at that. The news driver. Okay, so definitely not going to be trading this morning at all, and honestly, probably not this afternoon now that I see this. This is the September 20th news drivers. Okay, we have these high impact news drivers this morning, and then we have some around 10 a.m. We have these medium impact news drivers, and then we have a Fed news event, high impact news driver at around 4 p.m. And with that said, just kind of what the setups I've been looking for around like the specific time of day, not going to be really engaging in that. So, all right, that's it. Have a good day.